Hello members, this is Aman. So today we will be doing Nifty 50 analysis again, as we had discussed in our last video about Nifty 50, how it fell from 18,600 to 16,400. So today's closing is quite significant as it has closed above the yesterday's high, which is yesterday's candle was a doji one. So closing above the high of it indicates certain kind of strength in the Nifty 50 in the days to come. So as we had discussed that Nifty 50 is likely to face some resistance at the low of this candle, which was 16,966.45. You can see here. Okay, so when we'll put the cursor on this candle, you will be able to see the low here. So you can see it was 16,966.45, and today Nifty 50 exactly made high of 16,970. So it exactly touched this level and came down back. So this point will act as a strong resistance as of now. However, today's closing is a good one because as we have mentioned that it has closed above the high of yesterday's candle, which was a doji. So once Nifty 50 starts to operate above 16,971, the next possible resistance would be this line. So you can take it as like 17,150. You can consider as the next major resistance level. 17,150 to 17,175 would be the next major resistance for Nifty 50 in the days to come. However, if it breaks this line and enters this flag area and starts to close within this region again, we can say that Nifty 50 is likely to gain further strength in the days to come. So it is very important for us to analyze Nifty 50 on a daily basis. However, we were not able to do so yesterday because of some important work, and we did analysis of HCL technology share yesterday, and that proved to be almost correct today. It went up by 15, I believe 15, 16 rupees today itself in the morning. So we might see 1261 in the coming days, but today we are discussing Nifty 50 analysis. We are doing Nifty 50 analysis because it has given a good closing. The candle is also a good one. So we might see further strength in Nifty 50 in the days to come. So we will do some analysis on the weekly chart as well. Just a minute. So this is the weekly chart, and you can see a great hammer has formed on the weekly charts. This is a hammer candle, which is absolutely beautiful because you can see that the lower tail, that the lower wick of the candle is very long, and the upper body is also decent enough. So it is a very good hammer, we can say. In case of a downward, a hammer forming in the downtrend indicates that bulls are starting to gain control. Bulls have started to gain control, and they might try to take Nifty 50 again back higher. So this is a potential sign of reversal. However, we need a confirmation, and that confirmation will come because it is a weekly candle. So we need to see where the week ends and how this candle looks like at the end of the week. But today it has formed a great hammer, which indicates a possibility of huge reversal in the days to come. Please, again, we are not advising you to take any call option or buy any share on the basis of this analysis. It is only a way of studying. It is only a way of studying indexes and stocks, and to make a possible analysis or projection as to where Nifty 50 can go from here. So it is a very, very good hammer, provided it appears to look like this by the end of this week, that is on 24th as well. So we will have to see this candle on 24th as well. So it is looking very strong as of now. We will check on monthly as well. So now monthly, yes, on a monthly there is nothing significant as of now. So it is kind of forming a spinning top in the downtrend. So it is also a potential reversal, but it is nothing significant as of now because we need to have a closing at the end of December, and then we need to see how January operates. But on weekly charts, yes, it is forming a very, very great hammer, which is generally considered a potential sign of reversal in the downtrend. This candle, you can see it is a very, very good hammer. So let us see what happens by the end of this week and how Nifty 50 works tomorrow. It has given a very good closing today. Candle is also nice. So we will have to see as to when it crosses 16,970 and manages to stay above it, and how it behaves when it touches this line. That is the next major resistance for Nifty 50. Obviously, once it crosses this line and starts to operate within this region, there is a possibility that Nifty 50 might try to consolidate within this region before making a further upside or again coming downside. So that we will come to know only in the days to come. But yes, today's candle is a good one, and particularly on weekly charts, it has formed a great hammer. We are again saying that because it is a potential reversal, it is a potential reversal indicator, so that we will come to know when the week ends on Friday. So this was a very simple analysis. Let us have a look at the hourly candle as well on shorter time frames. So yes, you can see that it gave up on the shorter time frame. You can see that it was operating within this region throughout the entire day. You can take this level. Okay, it was not able to cross this level throughout the entire day, but the last two candles broke this resistance and even managed to close above that. So you can see that there was a consolidation, that there was a range bound market today during the entire day, but at the end of the day, it managed to close above this range of 6935 to, you can take it as, maybe you can take this only 16827. So during the, we can say that during the entire day, Nifty was operating within a range of around 100 points, but at the end of the day, it managed to close above that range. So it is also a good sign. It went up after doing a consolidation, so that is considered a good sign. And you can see here also that yesterday a hammer had formed, a sort of hammer had formed in the downtrend. So today reversal did happen and this candle worked almost beautifully. So yes, we can say that yesterday's hammer did work for Nifty 50 today. The color of the candle doesn't matter, particularly for hammer candles, shooting star candles, and all those hanging man candles, and sort of these candles. So we can say that yesterday's hammer was a perfect one and today it worked beautifully. So Nifty 50 looks strong as of now. The major strength would come once it enters this flag again and starts consolidating here before making a further upside. So we would again request you to not take any trade on the base of these videos. We hope that you would be interested in watching more of these videos, and we will try to incorporate more details as we go on from here. So thanks a lot. This is Aman signing off. Bye bye. Take care.